We have a desk night light that you can set up anywhere you like, from a warm to a cool Kelvin with 5 brightness modes with the memory. Some assembly is required. You have a shaft that you're going to screw into the bulb's bottom. The bulb is made of plastic. It is crevice of the moon. It screws into a heavy base that has a bottom base of plastic. You plug into 5 volts. You have 5 levels of light when you turn on. We have a blue light to a warm light. These are the kelvins. They go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have the brightness level of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're looking for a light that you could put by the kids' table, shape of a moon, you can see the design. I hope this is a light that you are looking for your desktop, living room, bedroom, and so forth. Check out the instructions for further detail about the product. Very simple to operate and use. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.